Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Apareja. I'm from class G, and my student number is 138. Here I would like to present about what I listened last week. So last week I listening to entertainment context, and I choose movie. For the movie I choose movie about war. I don't know why, but yeah. So So you guys, you can you get so you guys can see this is my title, Vision of War, exploring the human cost in Al Quiet on the Western Front. One 1000 1917 and Pearl Harbor. So what I listened last week, I listened three movies. So for the first is Al Quiet on Western Front, 2022, directed by Edward Berger, is a German adaptation of Erich Maria Remarque's novel. It follows 70 years old Paul Baumer, who enlists in the German army with his friend, only to be shattered by the brutal realities of trench warfare, violence, and physiological trauma. And for the second is one 1000 1917 from 2019, directed by Sam Mendes, is a World War One epic that follows two young British soldiers, Lance Corporal Tom Blake, then Charles Chapman, and Will Schofield, George Mackay, on a perilous mission to deliver a message that could save 1,600 comrades from a deadly ambush. And for the last is Pearl Harbor 2000, 2001. Follow to us US Army, Follow to US Army Air Force pilots, Rep and Danny, whose lives are changed by the Japanese attack on Pearl Harbor. After Rep is presumes dead, Danny falls in love with Rep's girlfriend, Evelyn. Rep's return sparked emotional turmoil, and Danny is killed during a bombing mission over Tokyo. Rep returned home to raise Danny's child with Evelyn. And this is my outcome. My outcome is poetry. So this is the title, What I Brought Back. I came home breathing, but not the same man. Like pieces of myself in foreign sense. You held me close, but couldn't understand the battle raging where your touch began. You see the cell, but not the weight I bear. I plead I love, to gods know I still care. I want to speak, but silence fills the air. One took my voice, and you are the one who stares. And why I choose this outcome? Because I made such an outcome because it was my first time making poetry, and at the same time learning about how to make poetry, especially about war. It was very challenging and attracted my attention to learn more about poetry. And so this is my reflection. After watching Outfired on the Western Front 2022, 1917, 2019, and Pearl Harbor 2001, it was struck by how each film portrayed the harsh realities of war. All Quiet was focused on the trauma of trench warfare. 1917 highlight the tension of a critical mission, and Pearl Harbor explored the emotional impact on relationship amid chaos. And yeah, I think that's all I can say. Thank you for the attention. I'm sorry if there was a mistake. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.